My name is Julie Chasteen.
I'm Victoria Haley.
And today we are doing Lab 8, which is food packaging and polymers. So we already have all the stuff that we need. The potato chip bag, we already cut into one single layer.
I'm thinking that it has 4 layers total. Like the stuff that looks like aluminum foil, but I don't think it's actually aluminum foil.
Okay.
And then it has like the packaging stuff. And so,
okay, hold on, wait. Let's do the A. Okay, so we have the flashlight with the lettering this way, foil packaging there. So let's see if we can see it. I can't see it at all.
No. Oh, well.
Well, hold on.
Yeah, if you put it really close, you can.
Put it really close.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So we drew the A on, but I drew it backwards.
Okay, yeah, so now write the letter A on the foil side of the bag with a marker. Now hold the bag with the printing facing you and the foil with the letter A facing the flashlight. Can you see the letter A? Do you think the bag is made with a layer of aluminum? Okay, so now it's the other way.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Do we think it's made of aluminum?
I do not.
I don't know if it says it on here.
I think it's a type of aluminum, but not like the aluminum foil
Yeah.
you put on a pan or anything.
Yeah, I mean, if it is, like, this is, like, much thinner. Okay, so carefully examine your empty candy bar wrapper, which we have right here. See how many layers make up your bag. Sketch and label different layers. Hint, one layer is the sealing medium for the seams. On your drawing, make the top layer represent the outside of the package. Okay. So she's sketching those
I'm going to
out.
do the lays really quick.
Okay.
I don't really know what she means by, like, I wants us to sketch the lays packaging.
Okay, like here.
That's for one. That's for the
Oh, that's for the ketchup.
Okay, so here's the. Okay.
So we definitely know it's made up of 2 layers.
Okay, so this is for the chips. I don't know, but this is just the bag, and you can see the inner layer, and then this is just like
So you said maybe 4.
outer layer, inner layer, and then whenever they're together, it'd make 4 total.
Yeah, I mean, I'm like thinking 2 because I mean it's thick enough for it to not be 1 layer, but it also, I mean, you can't have a chip bag with just 1 layer, I'm assuming. And like we said, we held the flashlight up to it, but we were like really close with it, so I don't.
Okay. And then this is the Musketeers. I think it's made the exact same. Well, I think
it could be made out of the same thing.
it's made something similar, but I don't think there's as many layers as it is with potato chips. But then again, you'd think there'd be more because they'd have to stop it from melting and stuff. But I think there's
from it going bad too.
I think there's just 1 whole layer. Like, I don't think there's.
I think there's maybe 2.
You can't really. There's nothing to pull apart. Like with the potato chips, you can see like right here. You see the difference between the 2. But I don't see any. I don't really see like a part where you could pull it apart. So I'm saying this is just like 1 whole thing. So I will draw a little thing.
Okay, so the next is the ketchup packet. Let's do this.
So here's my drawing so far. I really do not know if I'm doing this right. But there's the 3 Musketeers. Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
packet.
do we have to put the flashlight up to this one?
I don't know. I was thinking that, but
okay.
She didn't say. It doesn't say on here. Okay. Inside the packet is the ketchup and some gas. Push it on your packet, but don't open it. How does it feel? Put your packet in a cup of tap water. Does it float or sink? Okay, I'm feeling it. This is it. We just got it from Sonic. It feels mushy. Like doesn't, like, I don't know.
It's a liquid, but it almost.
I think it's gonna float.
Yeah, it was float.
Okay, so we put it in tap water. Yeah, it floats.
It's gonna float because all the stuff is inside. So.
But yeah, okay. Optional step: if your packet floated on the water, fill your empty bottle with water until it's almost full, and put your unopened packet in the bottle. Screw on the cap, then squeeze your bottle. What happens?
Okay. Oh, it's almost full?
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
It's probably going to explode in here.
Screw on the cap and then squeeze your bottle. What happens? I mean, don't, like, pop the top off. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
You get onto the top?
Until it's almost full.
Take it back.
Pour some out.
No, that's not all you've been in almost full. Go ahead. Okay. Squeeze it. Good. Ew.
Okay, so it's definitely floating here. Float over here.
Okay, be careful whenever you're not with
alcohol.
keep on one of these. Okay, so I'm squeezing it. And it's sinking.
It's sinking. Here, show it. There we go. It's at the bottom now. Oh, hold on, wait. Let go. See if it goes back up.
And it does.
Oh, okay, squeeze again.
It's just the pressure.
That's so weird.
Okay, so.
Okay, so yeah. Whenever we put in the water, it floats. When we squeeze it, it sinks. Okay, so now fill your empty soda bottle and juice bottle to the brim with tap water. Measure the volume of water the bottles holds 3 times each and record. To the brim.
That's the brim.
It's the brim.
Look at this post-it note from. Okay, get the graduated cylinder. That's pretty close. So, you get this one. So you have to fill it up 3 different times. Ooh, gross. Ow.
Okay, wait, so I'm not understanding.
What?
Measure the volume of water the bottles holds 3 times each and record. Oh my god.
Will you go ahead and start trying to boil that water? Well, crap.
You're good to the.
So, this is only 100 milliliters. This tiny bit of it. Okay, here is the. This is going to take a while.
Okay, I'm not gonna.
Like this 3 different times.
Okay, so since we have to do this 3 different times, I think we're gonna pause it and do this. So we did this with the tap water, and then after we do this 3 times, then we're going to. I've got the water on the stove, boiling water, and then we're going to do that. So yeah. Okay, so after we get done with this, we're going to do the boiling water, and then I'll come back on, and we'll pick up from there and just, like, say, like, what we all have done. So.